Headlights on again. And off. And brights. And off.
I can always put it back.
Yeah. Okay, that pulls out so that we can get behind the driver's side headlights and brights. And then go like that. So this has got this dovetail on it. And down in there, there's the matching dovetail right in front of the battery. So the passenger side, we got the brights and the regular. The brights are super easy to get to. They're just right there. And on the driver's side, same thing. The brights are right there. And then the regular headlights are there. To get to the regular headlights on the passenger side, we'll take these out. That one's already out. Take that out, and then we'll remove this, and then we can reach our hand down in there to turn that out. So these come out with a quarter turn. So it's in quarter turn, and then they just pop right out like that. Then to take the light out, you press on this clip where my thumb is, that unlocks it, and then the light socket pulls out of that connector. And here's the driver's side, same thing, already did the quarter turn, twist that out. Here's the new one that'll go in. This way it'll clip in, and then in at a slight angle, like this, quarter turn, locks into place. Driver's side brights are in. Driver's side driving lights are on, or in and replaced. And now we've got the passenger side. You can see the bright. Where's the brights? The brights are right there. So those are in. And then the running light, or the headlights, are right there. And that's going to go in right there. Okay, the headlight is in on the passenger side. It was easier to do with it unclipped from the housing and just put the light bulb in and then click the wiring, fasten the wiring harness to the bottom of the light. That was easier.